Good morning, everyone. So our topic today is about the quality management. So what is quality management? It is the systematic approach to ensuring that products and services meet a customer expectations. It focuses on continuous improvement and customer satisfactions. So there are four principles of quality management. So first is the customer focus. Customer focus is understanding and meeting customer needs is paramount. Second is the leadership involvements. So it is the leaders must be committed to quality and set the same. Third is the process approach. It focusing on processes and their optimization. And the last was continuous improvement. So it is striving for constant improvement in processes and products. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. My name is Pram Nikohali. The topic is all about tools and techniques for quality improvement. First is the statistical process control or SPC. SPC uses statistical method to monitor and control process. Next is cause and effect diagram or the fishbone diagram. This diagram helps identify the root causes of problems. Next is the Pareto chart. They prioritize issues by their frequency or impact. The Six Sigma. First is clearly define the problem or opportunity. The second is measure. Gather data and measure current performance. Third is analyze. Analyze the data to identify root causes. The fourth is improve. Develop and implement solutions to improve performance. The fifth is control. Establish controls to maintain improved performance.
Good day, sir. I am Merjin Palingkod. So my topic is about total quality management. So in total quality management, there are four. For the first is customer focus. It is meeting customer needs and exceeding expectation. The second one is employee empowerment. Empowering the employees to contribute the quality. Third is continuous improvement, constantly striving to improve products and processes. And the last one is leadership commitment. Leaders are responsible for setting the quality vision. Quality control processes. The first one is inspection, evaluating products or services to meet standards. Second, testing, performing tests to evaluate performance and functionality. Third is auditing, assessing the effectiveness of quality system.
Good day everyone, I am Charles Justin Ocampo and today I'm discussing about implementing quality management. Define quality goals. Establish clear quality goals and objectives. Train employees. Provide training on quality principles and techniques. Implement quality tools. Use various tools and techniques to improve processes. Monitor and evaluate. Track progress, identify areas for improvement, and adjust as needed. The benefits of effective quality management. Increase customer satisfaction. Higher quality products and services lead to happy customers. Reduce cost. Improve efficiency and reduce waste, save money. Enhance competitiveness. Quality products and services give businesses a competitive edge. Improve productivity. Efficient processes and reduce errors lead to higher productivity.